In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to smoothly authorize the connection so you can start using PayPal inside ChatGPT without any confusion. Start by opening ChatGPT and going to your profile button in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your account menu. Click it, then choose Settings. That will open a panel where you can manage how ChatGPT behaves and which tools it can access. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps. Select Apps to view and manage the apps connected to your ChatGPT account. From here, click Explore Apps or Add More. Both options take you to the place where you can discover and install apps that work with ChatGPT. At the top, you'll see a search field. Click into the search bar and type PayPal. Give it a moment to load the results, and then select the official PayPal app from the list. This takes you to the app's page, where you'll see more details about what it does and a button to begin the connection. Click Connect. As soon as you do, ChatGPT will guide you through any steps required to link your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign in to your PayPal account and approve certain permissions so ChatGPT can interact with PayPal on your behalf. Read the prompts, confirm that everything looks right, and proceed through the authorization screens. When prompted, complete the confirmation so the connection is established. Once you finish the on-screen steps, you should see a confirmation that the app is connected. If you return to Settings and open Apps again, you'll notice PayPal listed among your connected apps, which means you're ready to use it within ChatGPT. If anything looks different on your screen, don't worry. Interfaces can change over time, but the flow remains the same. Open your profile menu, go to Settings, choose Apps, explore or add more apps, search for PayPal, click Connect, and then follow the instructions presented there. If the PayPal page doesn't appear right away, try refining your search. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and confirm you're signed into the correct ChatGPT account. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to find the apps area, how to search for PayPal, how to connect it, and how to confirm it's ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined PayPal experience inside ChatGPT.